Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I was going to do a little experimenting this afternoon on Shortwave to kind of see what I could get. It is 4:35 local time or 21:35 UTC time. And I'm on short-wave.info, which gives you this nice chart and map of stations that could be on. And what I've selected any station broadcasting in English. So these are right now only broadcasting in English. And I'm going to do an update here. I'm going to do a go. It's going to update the page. And here, as you can see on the map, there's a lot of stations broadcasting right now in English. And so what we're going to attempt to do, you can sort this because over here, by many things, by all these headings, plus, over here is the expected signal strength at my location, which is right there, a little green dot. So if I click the diamond, it will sort on that column and bring all the strong signals, theoretically, that I should be able to hear. And of course, you can see some of them are down in Okeechobee, Florida. Yeah, I should hear those. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through, I'm going to do about 10 stations, maybe more, and see if it's a hit or a miss. So I've got running in background here my SDR play, RSP1. The 1. This is the original radio, not the 1A. This is the original 1 that you can't get anymore. The 1A replaced it. And I'm going to tune these frequencies. So let's go back here. And we're going to select 5800. So we'll go back here. And we come up here. I'm going to do it the hard way. 5800. I know it's the hard way. Okay. On the screen here, looks like there's nothing there. I'll take it off mute. And there's nothing there. Okay, we're going to put that on mute. So that is, I'm going to keep score here on my little pad. That's a miss. And we're going to have hits maybe. So that's one miss. Alrighty. And supposedly, and maybe it's just not on the air. Maybe, this website is incorrect. We're going to try to do it. Now it says actually there was 2 programs possible on that. So let's try 6.060. Let's try that. Go back over to the radio. And we're going to go to 6. Whoops, 6, 0, 0. Come on, Tom. 6, 0. I know I could type it in faster, but I'm not a very good typist. Yeah, there's something there. Pretty weak. Doesn't sound English. So it sounds like it's Spanish. Now, should we call that a hit or a miss because this website is saying it's broadcasting in English? So we're probably hearing some other station. So I'm going to call that a miss. That's 2 misses. Not doing too good there. Okay, let's try 9350. That's probably a better frequency for this time of day. 9350. Oh, I think we got a hit.
And Abraham wanted a wife for Isaac. He sent his servant up there to Haran, up to his relatives, and had obtained Rebekah to be a wife for Isaac. So Jacob will now go back up to his relatives.
Hit. We'll go back here and just see what it was supposed to be. That's out of Nashville, Tennessee. Okay, so that's a hit. Again, it's not very far away. And as you can see, since I sorted these on the possible strength, we got all the ones in the United States up top. That's WWCR again. We'll try that. Let's try Caribbean Beacon at 11775. 11775. The alarm you hear is the alarm on my mailbox to tell me somebody's in my mailbox. I think my wife is coming home. Gosh, how many times you gonna open that? Yeah. And a week. Yeah, sounds Spanish. I think I know it's kind of hard to hear, but I think it's a Spanish person speaking English. So I'm going to give that one a hit. Very weak. Okay, kind of grabbing at straws here. Let's go to the next one. We're going to do about 10 or 12. WRMI. And now we got WRMI. No, we didn't get them up here. Let's see if we can get them up here. 15770. Let's try it. 15770. There's something there. Take it off mute. Yep. Pretty weak, but there's something there. I'm going to call that hit. There's something there, but it's pretty weak, and I don't want to turn the volume up too loud. So we're going to call that a hit. So we got 3 hits and 2 misses. So that's 5 stations. We're halfway there. Again, I sorted this so we're picking the best case. Let's try 5950. Again, it's the same station, WRMI. 5950. 5950. And we'll unmute it.
You say, preacher, what are you trying to tell us? Well,
it's a preacher man.
You're looking around for something, not that extent, for something that will strengthen
quite a few stations
your
right in
belief in
here.
God. The whole world is in an
He's coming in
unbelieving
pretty good.
state. We are living.
Okay, that's enough of him. So that, I believe, let's see what it said. I think that's the Overcomer Ministry at 5950. That's a hit. That's a definite hit. Let's see China Radio. Now, this says the transmitter is in Cherokee. I think that's in the United States. I can click on that. Hopefully. It will show me the map. It will show me the map. No. Oh, I didn't. That's not what I want. I got to click. Oh, gosh, I forgot how to use this program already. Now I got it screwed up. Okay, let's resort. Gee, what a dummy. Okay, China Radio. You got to click on the flag. That brings up the map. And what was I wrong? That's in Albania. Okay, that's far away. Let's try that. What the heck was the frequency? What the heck was the frequency? China Radio at 7285. Oh boy, I'm crossing my fingers on this one. 7285. I don't know. Ooh, there's a big one there. That's not it. 7285. 7285. Mute. There's a strong signal right here. Okay, I'm going to call that a miss. And then I'm going to see what this signal is.
Have been slightly different. For instance, 20 years after the December Revolution,
That sounds like
some half of
China
the
Radio.
Romanians believed that it had been better before, and 14% of them believed that things had not changed. No matter the differences between methodologies and results,
Coming in good.
it's quite clear that positive perceptions are many,
I could have it
maybe
missed
as
too.
numerous as the negative ones. Researcher
Let's see if there's anything in here at 7310. Oh, 7310, Radio Mania from Romania. That's coming in. I'm going to jump down there and call that a hit. That's 5 hits. So that was that one right there, right? Yeah, let me go back. 7310, yeah. All right, that's a good hit. Okay, let's go down. Let's Radio Romania is also on 7375. We can jump up there for a second. 7375. Okay, unmute. Yeah.
Also, with regards to part 7,
Coming in stronger.
Romanians do not want to reverse the political...
Okay, I won't call that hit because it's just on a different frequency, but it's the same station. So I'm just going to skip that one. WBCQ on 7490. Let's try that. 7490. 7490. I don't see anything there. Nothing but noise. That's a definite miss. Okay, we're coming up on 10 here. Matter of fact, one more and we have 10. Said I was going to try 10. Maybe I'll try 12. 9265. That's kind of up where, in frequency, where I usually do get something. 9265. 265. And there's nothing. Oh, yeah, maybe there's something there. Yeah.
Now, that's all the frequency does. It's just words up to your mind. But from your
Coming in.
mind down to your heart.
It's stronger.
That's all the work of the Holy Spirit.
So you can see it's pretty noise level is pretty high today. I'm using my G5RV antenna. That's what I'm using. I don't know what that was. Okay, let's go back. What was that? 9265. That was number 10. That is in Red Lion. I think that's in northeast part of the United States. I'm gonna call that a hit. So we got 6 hits, many of them very weak, and 4 misses. And again, except for Radio Romania, they were all in the United States, and China Radio was in Zurich. So maybe we'll jump down here and see. Here's China Radio in whatever that is. That's not close by, so let's try that. 9600. I'll make it an even dozen tries. 9600. And of course, the beauty of using an SDR and having this graphic representation is you can see some strong signals that may not even be in the listing or the way I've got the listing sorted. Alright, this is one more. You can do this for hours. Oh, here's New Zealand. Let's try that. 1318. Nothing there. So that's another miss. So guess what? When we went to 12, we got 6 hits and 6 misses. Interesting. But, this is, it's, like I say, it's now 4:50 p.m. here in Clearwater, Florida. And usually conditions get better as the evening goes on. So I would conclude from the limited amount of testing we did that shortwave in English is still out there. What do you think? If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.